Hello, my mathematical scholars. You're welcome to today's class. In today's class, you'll be learning about the division of whole numbers. And we're going to be using the method of long division. But first of all, let's learn the meaning of division. What is division? Now, division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. Now, the basic operations of arithmetic is what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, division is one of the four. Now, this division gives a fair result of sharing. You see about that. Now, the division is an operation inverse of multiplication, meaning it's the opposite of multiplication. If 3 groups of 4 makes 12 in multiplication, it therefore means that 12 divided by 3 equal groups gives 4 in each group of division. You get that? Again, if 3 groups of 4, meaning 3 times 4, makes 12, it means that 12 divided by 3 will equal to 4, and also 12 divided by 4 will also equal to what? 3. That's good. And the main goal of division is to see how many equal groups, or how many in each groups, when sharing fairly. So, for example, there are 16 balls and 4 boxes. How to put 16 balls into 4 equal ball sizes? Right? That's what? 16 divided by 4, meaning 4 groups. You get it? So each box take what? 4 balls. That's what you have here. These are the boxes, these are the balls. Our 16 balls. If you pause and count, you see that 16 balls. Now these are our boxes, 4 of them. So putting these 16 balls into these boxes, one after the other, you put one here, the next here, one here, next here. After sharing, you find out that there's 4 balls going to what? 4 groups. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Right? Now to our subject matter. What you are going to be learning today in this class is long division. Now, long division helps in breaking the division problem into a sequence of easier steps. Just like all division problems, a large number, which is the dividend. So divided by the dividend, you see that next page, in the slide, is divided by another number, which is called the divisor, to give a result called the quotient, and sometimes a remainder. So how do we go about long division? How do you go about that? Long division method involves basic math operations. To divide 2 numbers using this method, a tableau is drawn. The divisor is written outside the right parenthesis. This is the divisor, 5. The quotient is written above it. This is the quotient, and the over the bar top of dividend. Now 65 is the dividend, 13, which is the result, is the quotient, 5 is the divisor. In this case, 0 is the remainder, meaning it doesn't have a remainder. Now we'll see how that is done subsequently. Now, long division involves 5 steps. 5 steps. The first step is to divide. The next step is to multiply. Then we subtract. Bring down. We do repeat. Or if the remainder is less than the divisor, becomes what? The remainder. See that? So now this is a question that says 74 divided by 3. 74 divided by 3, the dividend, the divisor. So what do? We divide 7 by 3. This 7 by this 3. How many times? We get 2. Go to the next step, which is what? To multiply. multiply 2, that we got, times 3. You can see that there, 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is what? 6. The next step is to subtract 7 minus 6, not 74. We are subtracting 27 that was divided. 7 minus 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. The next step is to bring down. I'll bring it down to the next number, which is 4. So 4 comes down, so it becomes 14. So next is to repeat or find the remainder. Now we are repeating this. 3 divided 14 is what? 4. So we have 4 there. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we subtract 14 minus 12, that's 2. And 2 is the remainder. It means that 24 divided 3 is 24, remainder 2. How do we check our answer? The divisor times the quotient plus the remainder, which is 24 times 3. That's 72. And 72 plus 2 is 74. Remember, our last previous topic was what? Multiplication. So you can check that out. Now to examples, practical examples. The question is asking us to divide 73 by 6. 73 by 6. So the first method is to divide 7 tenths. This is the 7 tenths, right? By what? By 6, which gives us 1 tenth and the remainder of 1. That doesn't concern us right now, does it? Not yet. So 7 divided 6. That gives us what? 1. Next step is to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. Remember, this is written under this 7. That's what we use to divide. This 1 times 6 is 6. The next step is what? Subtract, yeah. Subtract 7 minus 6 is what? 1. After subtract, we bring down. I'll bring it down 3. So then we have 13. In this case, we do what? A repeat. Repeat is what? We divide again. In this case, 13 divided by 6. 13 divided by 6 is 2. This is that, this 2 here. We do what? Next, multiply. 2 times 6. Plus 2 times 6, 12. That is this 12 here. Next is to what? Subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. So in this case, the remainder of this question is 1. So 73 divided by 6 is what? 12, remainder 1. 73 divided by 6 is 12, remainder 1. Let's try another example. 147 divided by 3. In this case, we cannot say 1 divided 3, is it? No. Giving us an irrational answer. So it will be 4. To go to the next one, which is what? 1 and 4, which is 14. This 1 and 4. 14. So 14 divided by 3 is what? 4, right? I mean that's 2. 4. So write down the 4 there. Next is to multiply. 4 times 3. This 4 that we get is the quotient. 4 times 3 is what? 12. That's what we have there. Then we subtract 14. This 14. Remember, that is what we use to divide. Not 147, right? 14. 14 divided by, 14 minus 12 is 2. We have subtracted. Our next step is to bring down. We bring down 7. Then we guess. We repeat. Doing a repeat, we have what? 27. This 27 divided by 3. And that gives us 9. This is that 9 there. Remember, previously it was 4. Now it's 49. 9. Now, next step is to what? Multiply. Multiplying what? 9 times 3. This 9 times 3 and 9 times 3 is 27. We got 27. What's our next step? 7 minus 27, that is 0. This minus this is 0. So that's where our solving ends, because we have just arrived at 0. So it means that 147 divided by 3 is 49. 147 divided by 3 is 49. Hope you had a splendid time listening to this class. Endeavor to attempt the quizzes and assignments. Bye. See you in the next class.